guys, this is Trailer 70. Today I got a package from eBay. It's in a big box, so I got it right here. See? So let's open the box and see what's inside. It's already open, so let's see. It's a bunch of Tomy Thomas trains. See? They're in a plastic bag. I had to get them out, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just got all the Tomy Thomas train out of the bag. So here they are, out of the bag. And let's get started taking over them. First up is, this is not a Tomy, it's a wooden Thomas trains. Let's open and see what's inside. Here they are, show some other wooden Thomas trains available to buy. They got battery power, some wooden Thomas trains, people in some rolling stock, I think, and some train with some freight cars, cabooses and freight cars, and that characters from the movie Thomas and the Magic Railroad, and some locations like Timid Shed and Brenham Docks. Let's take a look at the back. Shows all the wooden railway track pieces available to buy, and some layout too. Pretty cool, you know. Now this is Thomas. It looks like a Hornby Thomas. I don't know what that is. Just post a comment what that is. It runs well. So let's move on. Here we have Toby. So here's the front. Side has the number 7 on it. The other side, same thing. The top, the back, and the bottom. I think Toby's in good condition, by the way. Let's move on. Here we have Edward. There's something on his face. I don't know what that is. And also, the cold lid is missing. All you have to do now is just put in big battery inside. So I think Ever's body's in good condition, by the way. So let's move on. Here we have Henry. His face is peeling, but don't worry, I can fix it with white out. And also, the cold lid is on. I think Henry's body's in good condition, just like coupling is missing. The white coupling is missing. But don't worry, I got some extra. I think Tom's is a good addition, by the way. Let's move on to Diesel. Here we have Diesel. So here's the front, side, the back. It has a coupling, the top, and the other side. I think this is in good condition, by the way. Let's move on to the rolling stock. Here we have Annie Incredible. Annie Incredible who came with Tomy Thomas in his own, or is Tomy Thomas Sept? I think Annie Incredible is in good condition, by the way. So let's move on. Here we have Annie. It has some tires on it. Different tires. I don't know what this is for, but just post a comment what this is for. And this is credible. It has no something on the tires. His coupling is bent. But don't worry, I can fix it. Let's move on. Here we have Henrietta. It has no face, just like the CGI version. Henrietta who came with Toby in a sad troublesome trucks. Henrietta's in good condition. You know, I have 3 Henriettas. 1, I got in the CGI phase. 2, I made out of Hannah, Henrietta's sister. And this Henrietta, and now I got 3 Henrietta. You know, my friend Chad knows that Trainboy for the V has Henrietta, but he needs another Henrietta to make it out of Hannah. So maybe I would give it this to him so he can turn into Hannah. You know, Henrietta's sister from season 21, Thomas and Friends. So let's move on. Here we have Going Express coaches. As you can see, I got 3 Going to special coach. Now I got 4 going to special coach because I got this one. If I get another going to express coach, I would turn it into a brown coaches from the Weary series book. Just like Trainboy 54 made. So yeah. Here we have some troublesome trucks. Here we have the boxcar, a loading thing, 3 troublesome trucks, a sort of fuel tank, a milk tank, and we got 3, now I got 4. So I would turn this milk tank into oil or tar. Just wait and see. And here we have the troublesome truck fan, has a face at the back. So, oh, I almost forgot. Those 2 were the people. Let's take a look at them. Here we have the Topham hat and Birdie's driver. You know, the Topham hat and Birdie's driver who came with Tomy Thomas Adventure set with Thomas, Annie Incredible, and Birdie the bus, and also Harold the helicopter. I'll use this Birdie driver for my redo of my Thomas and Friends season 1, like Thomas and Birdie. And I'll think about what I'm gonna do with should I use? I got them all. You know that sound of the dryer and the washing machine. Sorry about that. I got them all out of the bag except for those three. They are trees and some cool rocks and some signs and some bridge blocks. Another bridge blocks. So yeah, I'm gonna get them a battery so we can get them a test one. For this time, I'm doing it in the next part. So stay tuned for that. So see you in the next part.